Good morning students. Today we will discuss chapter number 16th, class 6th. Chapter name is garbage in and garbage out. So student, before starting that chapter I will discuss few things with you. Like beta, at our home we use lot of things in our daily life, and that from that things some things are useful for us which we use, and also from that useful things number of useless things also produced or you find. Like if you eat a packet of biscuits, then your biscuits is your useful thing and your wrapper is a useless thing. So like this way beta we will discuss here first definition of garbage. So what is garbage? The useless waste material that produce at our home, at our shops, schools, offices, that is called garbages. So that consists of different type of substances like plastic bags used in packing grains, means when you get anything from market that is packed in plastic bags, like pulses also when you take at a home, then it is covered with the plastic bag. So I'm wrapping biscuit, wrapper of the biscuit is also a wrapper of toffees, that are the useless material. So that collectively form a garbage. Second is groundnut shells. If you eat a groundnut, that means their shell is not you eat, so that is the waste material. Waste paper or things made of paper such as railway ticket, after your journey you throw that railway ticket, bus ticket, paper bags, that is your waste. Kitchen waste like vegetable, fruits you eat and their peels left. Peels means their outermost layer. Okay, so that is left. Even after tea you throw a tea leaves, so that is your garbage. Same thing is domestic waste such as broken toy. After using your toy, if your toy is broken, then you old clothes also, worn out shoes also you throw, that is your garbage. Dry leaves, industrial waste, agriculture waste, which after complete processing the agriculture waste left. Okay, so animal waste also left, that also form a part of garbage. Next thing beta, what if the garbage is not removed from our surrounding? What will happen if you not remove that garbage around you? So if the garbage is not removed from our homes, from our surroundings, that will accumulate at our home also, our surrounding also, and that will look dirty, means everywhere you will feel dirtiness. So certain components of garbage will not rot. But what is rot? Rot means to decay. Rot means to decay something that go bad as a part of natural process. Means with the help of microorganism, you see that leaf after few days become green to black in color, brown in color. That is naturally by the processing of microorganism in nature, so that is rotting process, and that give off a foul smells of the vegetable peels if you not properly throw it, decompose it. Then flies and mosquito will start breeding on it, and also that cause number of diseases. Even rat, dogs, etc. will move around freely on that waste material. So due to that thing, mosquito, rats, dogs, number of diseases might be spread. Okay, so it is important that garbage from our home and our surrounding must be properly removed, because if it not removed then it will cause diseases.